Hello there mga kachupol! Ito si Albert Martinez.
Hello mga kachupos!
Hi mga kachupos!
Hello Kachupols!
Hello mga ka-Chupos, ngayon ay day 1 ng Fame at kasama natin si Sir Dog.
Hi! Good afternoon to everyone.
And sir, regarding po sa event na to, is ano pala yung ini-endorse nyo po?
Oh, we're big fans of Cheboa Bay Living. Like we've been supporting their products since we did our home tour video sa house namin, in our condo. So we're just big fans of their craftsmanship and the heart they put into their products. So we have a lot of items here that we have in our home.
And sir, regarding sa mga furniture or sa kanilang mga items sir, is ano yung pinaka most favorite nyo po na binili po sa nila?
The Baila chandelier. So they have a lot of lamps and pieces that goes into our house, but the Baila one is our favorite.
And sir, regarding po sa kanilang ano sir, mga design, ano pala yung parang gusto nyong pinaka-theme po?
I'm sorry?
The theme.
Oh, the wood theme. So I like that they create everything handmade. So it doesn't matter which one, but as you can see from the back, it's their metalworks, the craftsmanship of doing the furniture and the lamps that they do is just very unique.
And sir, regarding po pala sa basketball sir, kakatapos lang po namin mag-endorse ng University of the East sa Manila and Caloocan branch. Ayan, sir. Regarding sa basketball, sir, is ano pala yung most memorable part na naging player po kayo?
UST championship against us Ateneo game 1, where I hit the game winner, the championship. Yeah, that's the 1 second shot.
And sir, regarding
almost 20 years ago.
And sir, regarding po pala sa inyong basketball, sir, para sa mga young ating mga players, sir, is ano yung gusto niyo pong sabihin po sa kanila?
Work hard. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard.
And sir, syempre kilala po kayo sa Team Kramer po sa inyong vlogs. Is ano pala yung mga upcoming events or mga gusto nyo pang i-collab na ibang influencer, sir?
Hindi ko alam.
Okay. Okay, sir. Any sir, na gusto nyong i-plug po or business, sir?
Thank you. Thanks for listening in, guys.
And once again, thank you, Dog.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Can I just check kung tama yung sinabi ko? Wait lang.
Since Golden yung song, ayan. I mean, since Golden Acres yung company name namin, kakantahin ko is Golden by Demon Hunters. Hello mga kachupos!
Hello mga kachupos!
Hello mga kachupos!
Hello mga ka-Chupos, at nandito tayo sa University of the East at kasama natin si Ma'am